quadratics.
If you get it in this form, it's called the turning point form.
Why is it called the turning point form? So if it's in the turning point form, you can just read the turning point of the equation. Remember, quadratics, they normally look like... Yeah, it looks something like this instead. So if we want the turning point, what do we need to do? We need to turn it into that using factorization. I'm jumping ahead. Let's not do that today. For A, it wants us to find the turning point. It's conveniently in the turning point formula. So if we go back to this, H is positive, it becomes negative, and K stays the same. So the turning point, let's call it TP, IM3, the turning point is 3, 1. It has been translated which way? Translated to the right by 3 and up by 1. Has it been dilated? No dilation, because there's no number out the front. No coefficient, no A value. All right, your turn. What is the turning point for B? What is the turning point for B? It's the negative version of this, which is negative 2, 5. Okay? So it's been translated. This negative 2 means it's been translated to the left by 2. So the first number is right or left, X direction, and it's been translated up by 5. Has it been dilated? No. Okay, let's do C. What's the turning point? 3, and it's that for the Y, which is negative 1. Well done if you got that. 3 left, and down by 1. So the first number says left or right. Negative is to the left, positive to the right. Second number tells us up or down. Negative is down, positive is up. All right, let's do D, last one. Turning point X value. We take the negative version of that, which is negative 1. That's the turning point's X value. The number out the end is the turning point's Y value. That's the turning point down by 3. Now, the number out the front doesn't affect the turning point at all, but it affects the dilation. The dilation, if the number, the coefficient, is greater than 1, it becomes a thinner dilation. If it's less than 1, greater than 0, it's a bigger dilation, so it becomes wider. If it is less than 0, aka a negative number out the front, it flips it. Document and graphs. Okay. Can you see that little screen? So you've got a function, or y, equals, let's try x, and then that little button there to make it squared. And press enter. What do we get? Correct. A smile. All right? A smile. All right, can you go Control G? We're going to make another graph. So again, it's y or function equals, let's try and do 2x squared. Before you press enter, what's it going to do? Anyone? Thinner. Ooh. Two x squared. 2x squared. So if you haven't written it down in your notes, number out the front does what? Makes it thinner if it's greater than 1. If it's less than 1, it makes it fatter or more spread out. Control G, let's try 0.5x squared. Enter. And like I said, less than 1, the blue became the black, which is fatter. Now how do we flip it so it's a sad face? If we're negative, we are sad. So negative x squared, we flipped it,